Sky Princess cruise ship. On December 7th, 2019, Princess Cruises honored two pioneering women of the U.S. space program, Captain Kay Heyer and engineer Poppy Northcutt, who served as the godmothers and officially named Sky Princess. Captain Heyer began her 30-year NASA career as a mechanical systems engineer, helping to launch more than 40 space missions. Then, as an astronaut, she logged 700 hours in space, flew over 12 million miles, and orbited the Earth 475 times. Poppy Northcutt served as the first female mission control engineer when NASA made history with its mission to the Moon. When the crew of Apollo 13 became stranded in their service module, it was her team's calculations that brought them home safely, a feat of heroism that earned the entire mission operations a Presidential Medal of Freedom Team award. Want to host a luxurious family getaway? Sky Suites aboard Sky Princess boast incredible 700-square-foot balconies, the largest on Princess Fleet. When it's mealtime, you can choose from nearly any world cuisine. There's also a wine bar, steakhouse, trattoria, the Salty Dog Gastropub, Chef's Table Lumiere, afternoon tea, Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar, anytime dining or traditional dining, plus pizza, gelato, a cafe, and more. Sky Princess entertains guests of all ages, from the street performers in the piazza to the jazz band in Take 5. Catch a movie on deck under the stars, enjoy a Broadway-style production, or compete against other cruisers in the singing competition The Voice of the Ocean. When you're not in port, there's plenty to do aboard Sky Princess. Learn about constellations with Discovery Learning programs. Dance to live music every night. Revel in global culture with festivals of the world events. Play volleyball and take in Broadway-esque extravaganzas. Please subscribe my This Technology YouTube channel. Thank you. Please subscribe my This Technology YouTube channel. Thank you.